Hello my sweet friends and YouTube, Clarissa here. I am back with another video, and this video, it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna show some fashion items, and we're gonna have fun. It's my birthday today. Somebody's coming here to wish me happy birthday. Oh, my son, look hard, and I have flowers behind me and other flowers that other people had sent me, and so thank you so much. I am 60 today, my friends. Yes, I'm 60 today, my friends. I'm happy, celebrating life, one more year of life. And more to come. A healthy, strong, more than ever person, physically and emotional. And I thank to God for all His blessings this day. Thank you to you guys for all the support and comments. And so we're going to start the video. And so I'm gonna just put the flowers here, and oh, it seems like my son is coming again with Kitty. Kitty wants to say happy birthday. Kitty, show Kitty in the camera. See Kitty. Kitty, you saying happy birthday? Bend down. Yeah, oh yeah. Thank you, Kitty. He's showing his back. Okay. Thank you, Kitty. Thank you, son. Okay. Thank you. You make my day. So, my sweet friends, I am going to have a fashion show for you. Some outfits for the spring and summer, some ideas. And also I like to advise some suggestions about this particular face cream that I got it. It is a drugstore product, but it works so good because it has the milk of the coconut. So it doesn't have coconut oil, but has the milk of the coconut, which is very, very nourishing for the body, for the skin, and for the hair. And I purchased it at Target. This is the product for the face, which is the Daily Glow Firming Moisturizing. I use it before my makeup. I have been using for already 3 weeks, and what it says over here, it says this priming moisturizing delivers an important glow with lightweight hydration as it prepares the skin for makeup. And it has 100% coconut milk, and it says light hydration, but I find that it is very, very hydrating up to the skin, lasting for many hours. And you could buy at Target. That's what I bought it, and it looks like this. And a very, very, very beautiful product, drugstore product that gives a good performance. And also I have for the hair to make the hair hydrated and very shiny. This is the company Money Moisture, and the face cream, it is Shea Moisture. And this also has the coconut milk, and also has the coconut fruit extract and the coconut oil. very, very impressed. It's also over the counter at Target, and very, very nice. I wanted to share with you because I found to give me good results. And the last one I want to suggest, it is the Shea Moisture Hydrate Repair Protein Power Treatment that you could use once or twice a week, and has the Manuka honey, and has the yogurt, and also has the Mafura oil. Mafura oil helps to soften the hair shaft. It's a protein treatment for extremely dry and brittle hair, because when we are mature, our hair becomes brittle. I had said before in other videos that equals to a hair that has been bleached, because the hair shaft loses a lot of nutrients, such as the amino acids and keratin fiber. And so I like it because of the Mafura oil that helps to soften the hair shaft, and helps to preserve the keratin in the hair shaft. Really, really nice. I always find products that will indicate for extremely dry hair, because the hair of a mature woman is dry due to also the degradation of the lipids, because we lose lipids as we get older. So go find these products at Target, and these daily moisturizer that you could use it before your makeup. You're going to love it. It hydrates the skin really nice without giving this greasy feeling, and makes your makeup look really flawless. And so the same thing, the oil, a good result. Gave me a good result, my friends. All these products gave me a good result. So see the clips of the fashion show, and thumbs up if you like this video, and share the video, and be beautiful, okay?